Welcome. Honorable Minister, Senior VP of Operations, Mr. Paul Murphy, members of the Diplomatic Corps, French Ambassador, Ms. Mutalikula, Standard Chartered Bank, representatives of DBS, Resident Director of DBS, Reno Moroka, Head of DTCB Botswana, Tabajoko Beki, CEOs, Heads of Institutions, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Vendors Day 2013 is a very special day for us. We are honored to be hosting it for the second year running. What is today about? Today is about talking to your colleagues. Today is about talking to your peers. It's about making contacts in the business community and being able to follow up after this. It's about socializing, making friends, promoting your business. I should apologize because in some instances we're sitting in very close proximity. That is part of the design. The environment is supposed to be open. You're supposed to be able to talk to that person sitting right next to you and the person across from you. I do understand this is a little bit crowded. We'll try and do better next year, but please bear with us and don't let that ruin your mood for the day. Enjoy yourselves. Talk to each other. Make new contacts. Grow your businesses. Today we have a very full agenda. We have representation from all manner of industry. We have representation from information technology, automotive, financial institutions, insurance, cleaning, catering, florists, you name it, and many, many, many more. You never know where the conversation is going to take you. That's what Vendors Day is about. That's what networking is about. It's about talking to people and leaving here knowing that I've managed to at least make 50 contacts and maybe a couple of friends. Because as I say, you never know where a conversation is going to lead you. Our program for today, I hope all of you have a copy, is slightly fuller than last year. We've tried to bring in something a little bit different and have some seminars for you. Firstly, let me thank DBS for sponsoring this event for the second year running. We wouldn't be able to do this without your assistance. And we wouldn't be able to have this platform for people, business people in Botswana to network with each other.